Amma. So, Amma, what are we going to cook today?
Chakra Pongal.
So, are the ingredients ready?
Yes.
Are we ready to cook?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay.
For Chakra Pongal, we'll be taking about 1 teaspoon of ghee in a pressure cooker and we will let it heat for a while. After which, we will be adding half cup of Moong Dal to the pressure cooker as well. Next up, we will be adding 1 cup of rice and we will saute this for about 30 to 40 seconds. Now we'll be adding 4 cups of water and 1 cup of milk to the pressure cooker and we will cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes or until good 5 to 6 whistles. Meanwhile, we have taken about 2 teaspoons of ghee in a pan and we will let it heat. After that, we will be adding some cashew nuts and some raisins and we will roast it for about a couple of minutes. As you observe that the cashew nuts are turning golden and the raisins are inflating, you can strain them off and keep them aside. Now we will be taking about 2 cups of water in a different pan and we will be adding some cardamom leaves to it for a good fragrance. Next, we will be adding about 300 to 350 grams of jaggery and we will cook it until the jaggery completely dissolves in water, after which we can strain it off and keep it aside. Now we have taken 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan and we will let it melt and heat for a while. Next, we will be adding the cooked rice and dal to it. Now you can saute it nicely for about a minute or so. Now we'll be adding the strained off jaggery water into the pan and saute it really well for 3 to 4 minutes. After which it will look something like this. Next, we have added 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and the roasted dry fruits as well. Now you can mix everything really well and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. After which, your Chakra Pongal is absolutely ready to be served hot. Try this easy, simple, delicious, yet extremely healthy recipe at your home and enjoy it with your loved ones this Diwali.
Guys, if you liked our video and want us to make more such videos, then do
Like,
share
comment,
and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is
Cooking with Amma.
And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified every single time we upload a video. Goodbye, happy eating.